Hello children, this is Monica Singh and today we are going to do our English grammar notebook work of chapter 2 singular and plural nouns. As explained earlier, a noun that names one person, animal, place or thing is called a singular noun. A noun that names more than one person, animal, place or thing is called a plural noun. We'll do the quick revision of all the rules. Rule of adding es. We add es to those nouns that end with s, o, ss, sh, x, c and z. Example: ostrich, ostriches; glass, glasses. Both are ending with ch and ss. Rule of adding ies. Whenever before y consonant is there, we remove y and we add ies to change it into plural. You can see in the example puppy and cherry. In both the cases, consonant is there, so for changing them into plural we have added ies. Third rule, vowel plus y. Now whenever before y a vowel comes, we add s to that noun when we change it into plural. You can see in the example monkey, before y e is a vowel, so we have changed into plural, so we have added s, monkeys. Same with the second one, tray, before y vowel is there, so it will be trays. Rule of adding ves. Now we add ves to those nouns that end with f or fe. Example, you can see shelf ending with f, so we have added ves to make it plural. Knife ending with fe, so we have added ves. Now you will start your notebook work. You will write index. Fourth number you can see date, chapter 2 singular and plural nouns. Then you will open a new page. You will write date, chapter number, chapter name, singular and plural noun, exercise 1. Then you will write the question. Complete these sentences with the plural forms of the nouns in the brackets. Sentences are given with them. Singular form of noun is given in the bracket. We will change it into plural. She plucked some dash from the tree. Bracket apple is given. Answer will be apples. Prem bought 4 dash. Bracket toothbrush is given. Answer will be toothbrushes. Third one, there are 2 dash in the basket. In bracket tomato is given, so we will write the plural form tomatoes. She carried boxes of dash to the market. In bracket cherry is given, so plural form of cherry will be cherries. I filled water in all the dash. In bracket glass is given, plural form of glass will be glasses. Now the next number, sixth one, I gave some milk to the 3 dash. Bracket puppy is given, so when we will change in puppy into plural, it will be puppies. The dash look beautiful. Bracket butterfly is given. Answer will be butterflies. Eighth one, he fixed 2 dash on the wall. Bracket shelf is given, so answer will be shelves. Now this will be your homework. Exercise number 2, change the nouns in color to their singular or plural form. Nouns are given with black color in every sentence. If they are given in singular, change it into plural. If they are given in plural, change it into singular. One I have done, others you will do, and homework will be done on a new page. You will write the date also. We will do chapter number 3 in our next lecture from Marigold book. So your homework will be to do exercise 2 given in notebook and read chapter 3. Now this note is for parents. Dear parents, kindly make your ward to complete his or her work in neat and clean handwriting and check the work and put your sign with pencil along with date. Thank you.